Number one, we were able to dismantle around 30 to 40 clandestine shabu laboratories all over the country. Diba? Dati, ini-smuggle yung droga. Pero ngayon, ginagawa na mismo because nga mayroong ang existence of all these shabu laboratories. Number one. Number two, pinalakpakan ko rin yung sinasabi kong nahuli, kinulong, kinasuhan at kinulong ng mga high-value targets, yung mga drug lords. I was the first one who applauded that. Number three, kasi ako yung chairman ng Committee on Drugs noong time na yun. Number three, nung nahuli natin yung mga tunet-tuneladang droga sa kalsada, malakpak din ako dyan. I applauded still that accomplishment because these are all major accomplishments. Nung inintroduce sa atin part of our strategy sa war on drugs, yung magkaroon tayo ng mga drug rehab centers, these are major achievements na pumalakpak din ako. So hindi ako nagbago. Hanggang ngayon, I still appreciate and applaud that. What I do not like and what I condemn is the killing, yung abuses na ginawa ng ibang nag-implement ng war on drugs. Yan ako nagbago. Kaya tanong ko yan, balik ko yan kay Senator Dem, na sabihin mo nga sa akin kung nagbago yung aking stance dyan. It's still the same. In fact, I also applauded him when he was a chief PNP because nagkaroon ng ganyang klaseng achievements Diba? Pero yung para sabihin nagbago ako, hindi ako nagbago.